Transitioning from the world of sports to the business arena can be daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Introducing our exclusive workshop designed for any athlete ready to tackle their next challenge head on, led by those who have successfully made the leap themselves. This workshop isn't just about adapting, it's about excelling. Discover how to leverage your unique skill sets and competitive spirit to thrive in the boardroom and beyond. Are you ready to rewrite your playbook for success? Join us and unlock your full potential. Go to gmtalkingbs.com and get more information. Register for either online or in person. Let's build self with no excuses.